gentlemen, we are here with 2 meter. This is multimeter, theta multimeter. This is also theta multimeter. But this one has one function. It's a clamp meter. You can see this clamp meter is to carry out the amp reading. You just have to turn your meter. You have to turn your meter to, this is voltage. This is the symbol of the amp reading. So we are going to carry amp reading. The reason why we are showing this video is for you to know how to use your multimeter to carry out your amp reading. So our client have an issue with his generator. Sometimes the generator trip off when there is load. Why? Because the phase are not balanced. It's a 3-phase generator, so you can hear the noise. So we'll be going there to carry out our reading. Sometimes when your generator is not well balanced, one phase of the generator is not balanced. Maybe one is on 7, one is on 17, the other one is 48 or 45. You can see the one in 45 is not well balanced. It can equally trip off your generator. So just follow us, subscribe to our page. Right now we are going to our generator room to troubleshoot this problem. So come with me. So let me show you. We are going to show you, right? Just check. We have already set our meter. This is how to set your meter. This is voltage. This is voltage. You can see this is voltage. So V, you can see. So right now I'm going to clamp. This is A. This is amp. The symbol A means this is the unit for ampage A. So right now I'm going to clamp each of the phase. This is what I'm going to do. Each of the wire, I'm going to clamp it. So we are going to clamp it, then you take the reading. You go to the second cable, you take your reading. You go to the third line, you take your reading. So you just have to take all the reading. So come with me, we are going to so right now, let's see. So we have different dB. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 dB. These are control consumer unit. This is a 3-phase dB. This is where we are going to do our balancing, and this is up to third floor and the fourth floor. So right now we are going to start from the first floor. So what do you do? This first one, we are going to check this very first one. Oh, sorry, our ladder is not there. So now we are going to open our dB the same way I carry out this reading, the same way we carry out that reading on the generator. So we are going to test each of the phase, then we are also going to carry out. So because of this video, we just want you to have this experience and know how to do your load balancing. You have to come to your dB, each of the dB, carry out the amp, carry out your clamp meter, then you have to test. So from there you do your load balancing. So we are creating this video for you to know when we are talking about load balancing, what we are talking about. So subscribe to our channel, and if you also have any issue, have any challenge, reply us on ProStar Technical. We are going to give you all the necessary assistance. Thank you for watching this video.